Welcome to our channel. If you want to achieve financial freedom, follow these step-by-step instructions to build wealth and secure your future. Step 1. Start by defining what financial freedom means to you. Set clear, specific goals such as having a certain amount in savings, eliminating all debt, or generating enough passive income to cover your expenses. Step 2. Create a detailed budget that tracks every dollar you earn and spend. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to categorize expenses and identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending. Step 3. Build an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net protects you from unexpected financial setbacks and prevents you from going into debt during emergencies. Step 4. Pay off high-interest debt aggressively, starting with credit cards and personal loans. Use the debt avalanche or debt snowball method to systematically eliminate what you owe. Step 5. Invest consistently in diversified assets such as index funds, real estate, or retirement accounts. Take advantage of employer matching programs and tax-advantaged accounts to maximize your returns. Step 6. Develop multiple income streams through side hustles, freelancing, rental properties, or dividend-paying investments to accelerate your path to financial independence. Step 7. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance, investing strategies, and wealth-building techniques through books, courses, and trusted financial advisors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.